I'm on a noble quest to get a McRib. Noble quest. Supposedly this is the last time I'll ever have the McRib, so I'm gonna get one because I haven't had a McRib in like a year or 2 or 3, maybe 4. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. About 2 minutes till I can get a McRib in my mouth hole. 5:13. Comes the electric bus. Thank you. Thank you. That's a very fast bus ride, and I actually check time. It's usually under 5 minutes, which is good. So this is my first McRib I've had in probably like 4 or 5 years, I think. I don't know the actual date, but it's been a while. So I'm going to have it in a few seconds. Clean well. Using napkins to clean the table. Clean the tables here. First inspection, we got grease marks all over this motherfucker. But that's what I like to see. It's like a explosion of barbecue sauce. We got the unsalted fries because I'm a weirdo. And more towels. Alright, real talk. It was just basically a Spam burger with barbecue sauce. A much better value would be getting the Carl's Jr. Double Western Bacon. I feel like I'll like too much barbecue sauce and less fat. I ate a little bit, of course. This will be the last McRib I get until the next time. Never go right back again. One of my least favorite strokes here. So that was my experience for the first and last time in years with the McRib, and no regrets. No regrets. Was it worth the money? No. Was it a fun experience? Yes. Is it ridiculous I recorded a video about me eating a McRib? Of course. Like and subscribe.